This is a final video to fix Grounded 2 crashing or not launching. Are you tired of the game closing by itself or refusing to start? Many players face this problem because of outdated drivers, corrupted game files, or conflicting software on your PC. You might have seen other solutions on YouTube or social media, but most of them are long, confusing, and hard to follow. Today, on Rexist, I will show you a simple trick that can make your game run smoothly in just a few clicks. This method fixes the most common issues that stop Grounded 2 from launching without messing with complicated settings. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial to get your game working perfectly, comment below and let me know. I will guide you through everything, so you can play without any crashes or delays. Stay tuned and fix your game easily with Rexist.